So here's a knitting tip. Ball of wool in a pasta pot. Has a thing for the, well, presumably the pasta to come out. This does have an air, I don't know why it has an airtight seal on, and then it has this on. But anyway, this stops the ball of wool sort of rolling all over, so you can pull on it. I'm going to get in trouble for doing this, but and it sort of keeps control of the ball of wool. Easy. Well, pretty standard size ball of wool. Yep. Then you can knit away. What's the friction like if it's pulling on that? Okay. Yep. Getting a nod, yes. Doesn't want to appear on video. So just doing this pattern here. A bit of knitting. And gradually, so you just pass it out through the hole in the top of this like pot. Where did you get this from? Poundland? Yeah, Poundland. So £1. Can't go wrong really. Brilliant idea. I have pulled a bit out, so it's a bit sort of loose at the moment, but you get the basic idea. See, the ball just turns in here. Yeah, good idea.